Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Check out these sweet new wiper blades I got from AutoZone. Next day shipping, rush ordered. But wait a second, I didn't order wiper blades. I ordered an axle. You know, stuff happens, but this kind of oversight is kind of crazy. Like, you probably even think I faked this. I did not fake this. Here's my receipt for an axle, and I got wiper blades. Well, I'm going to spend the next probably 30 minutes on hold with customer service trying to rectify this. And I sure hope they believe me because this is so, like, crazy. Do you think somebody who bought wiper blades has an axle right now? Okay, so I just got off the phone with them. And as expected, they didn't really believe me that I got wiper blades instead of an axle. And if he wanted a part number for the wiper blades, I don't see a part number on here. He said, I can't proceed without a part number. He said, get the part number off the receipt. It's like, I didn't get the right receipt. I got the receipt for the axle. So he told me to send some pictures and hopefully somebody else will take over this situation because, look, I get it. I believe it. You totally could just cheat the system and actually get your axle and say, oh, I received wiper blades instead. But I didn't, and I'm an honest human being, and I just want my CV axle, but I have wiper blades. And now he's gonna send me a return shipping label, so now I have to take the time to send these back. Man. Breathe. And another thing I just noticed, like, look at the packaging for this thing. This thing is busted. I don't know, like, it's like coming apart and there's like a big piece of tape on it. It's a crack. Anyway, this thing's kind of busted. Faded too. They sent that out. Man, and I've read the reviews on Duralast CV axles or axles from part stores. I've read it on like Honda Tech and stuff. And people say, just go with something OEM or like Driveshaft Shop. But I had gift cards, so I was like, all right, well, I'm gonna buy the Duralast. Excuse me, I'm gonna buy the Duralast axle, and if it doesn't work or it goes bad after a while, I'll just warranty it out and I'll buy the Driveshaft Shop axles, Stage 0 axles instead. But with this whole debacle, I'm already kind of regretting it. Good news, AutoZone came through. They sent the axle. And not only that, they sent it within 3 days. So that's pretty cool. I guess I feel like I was being a little harsh on AutoZone because I've purchased a lot of things from their website and I've never had an issue. But man, I sure was doubtful that I was even gonna see this. But I got it within 3 days, and the customer service rep I talked to initially, he said I was gonna have to send the wiper blades back in order for them to ship this out, but I haven't sent them back. I'm still going to send them back because I don't want them. I probably don't have to because now that I have this, I could just like use them or something, but I don't think I even have a car that these are gonna fit on. The wiper blades, they're over here, that's why I'm pointing over here. But anyway, got the axle, things are back on track, gonna put it in, go for a drive, hit some VTEC. Oh, and Happy New Year. I know I'm like a month late, but Happy New Year, and if you're watching this in the way distant future, then whatever, you don't care. Someone tries to get fresh with you while you're just trying to break some lug nuts, just BAM! See if they tried anything. Oh, damn it. God damn it. That's what I get. Fixed it. Proper form. God damn, that's tight.
Behind us.
All right, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, you didn't even show taking the axle out. But that's because it was a lot of trouble, and it was so much trouble I didn't even bother filming it. The ball joint, the lower ball joint wouldn't give, I couldn't pop it. And then I used the ball joint tool, and it ripped the boot on the ball joint, a brand new ball joint when I redid bushings and ball joints and stuff on it. So that was a little frustrating. You see, I tried to fix it using this like industrial strength tape, and I heated the end of it, so hopefully it's strong. You might think that's kind of a ghetto fix, but I mean, that particular ball joint, there's not a lot of movement there. It's not like it's spinning or anything, so it's not gonna sling grease. I think it should be okay. Hopefully, I don't know, we'll see. I know some of you are probably cringing at that, but also this isn't really a how-to video, it's just vlogging it. But yeah, so I got the wheel back on, I got the axle back on. Gonna go give it a test drive. All right, here we go, maiden voyage. Wow, that absolutely did not fix my issue. That's really unfortunate. Dude, what the fuck? That sucks. That's really fucking shitty. God damn it. Dog, I'm feeling defeated. It's not like an axle install takes that long, but goddamn. So put the axle in, took it for a spin. The problem is there, and not only is the problem there, it's worse. The vibration is like bad now. And when you start accelerating hard, it like torque steers like crazy. So I'm not, I would assume because the problem got worse, the axle's not very good. I guess I should have listened to the internet, huh? The internet was right. A lot of people on Honda Tech were like, don't buy parts store axles. But some people said, hey, no problem. So I gave AutoZone axles the benefit of the doubt. I just unfortunately had to place an order for $401 on Driveshaft Shop to get stage 0 axles. So look forward to that video. See you later.